Hey, Professor. This is John from Tenet Technologies in Taiwan. So I'm here in our Taipei office, and just because I'm a slow typer, I thought I'd make a short video to tell you about our company and our motion offerings. So Tenet, we just founded early this year in 2021. We're a team of ex-NI employees, sales engineers, marketing engineers, custom design experts, as well as LabVIEW experts. So, and our philosophy is we want to try to fill in the gaps within the NI platform and ecosystem and the LabVIEW ecosystem. So one of the applications being motion control. So why don't I tell you a little bit about our motion offering. If I flip our camera around. So in my lap here is the H-Motion, WPC H-Motion module. You can see that here in the breakout boards, we have 4 axes of motion supported. You could hook up your signals, your step DIR control signals to your motor, as well as limit switches, as well as the encoder signals coming back, as well as the breakpoint BP on this, on this board. So here's the breakpoint output. And so there are individual breakpoints for each axis. So you could set breakpoints for axis 1, a separate breakpoint for axis 2, and so forth and so on. All right, so connecting to the PC, the first option that we have here is the USB. This is the Gecko USB interface. And basically here, you connect to your PC using USB. Here, this is an earlier version of the board, but we have revised it so that there is a smaller header that goes here that connects to the H-Motion. So the benefit of this is it's a very simple solution, plug and play. We have the Windows drivers available. But if that's all you need, then this is a pretty good solution. But if you need something with more integration, this is something called the Gecko Stem. It still needs a PC, and you'll see that it's controlled by Ethernet. We have 4 of these 50-pin headers here, slots, that can connect to 4 of these modules. So either they are motion modules or they are I/O modules. We'll have other different data acquisition modules available as well. And so we could do that. So you could do a lot of things with just one stem controller. But the caveat is that this also needs a PC connected so that you could send commands to it. It's not a standalone controller. Our standalone controller, this here is the Gecko Uno. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We've specially designed the aluminum enclosure to have a good heat dissipation capabilities and so forth. And you'll see that it has these same 4 slots over here. And again, you can hook up 4 of these modules depending on your choice and flexibility. This inside is an NI single board Rio controller. So what it means is that you could basically write any LabVIEW program, compile it. You could download the program into this controller and have it run as a startup executable. And that will take care of the onboard programming that you are used to before from the 73.5X. And so these are kind of the 3 motion offerings. I hope that gives you a better idea of how these things work with your system, and depending on your system requirements, you can decide on the solution that's best suited for you. And of course, if you have any questions, if you have any thoughts, feel free to reach out to me, ping me, and I'm here for you. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.